Would you like to adorn your lawn with attractive and unique artificial grass? Hold on. It looks like you wonder whether artificial grass is safe for your garden or why you should choose artificial grass. Then stop thinking. We will tell you that 3 unique and exciting facts will ideally suit your pretty garden. Unique and unexpected facts about artificial grass for your garden. Want to know how effective artificial grass is for your garden? It will amaze you to discover how artificial grass keeps your garden cool and fresh all day. Its quality and softness make you feel like you're lying on a natural lawn. So, let's start with the top 3 unimaginable facts about artificial grass for your lovely garden. 1. No maintenance need anymore. Now, you shouldn't need to keep your yard in shape and water daily or weekly. Because, for the artificial grass, the needs of mowing and watering are none of existence anymore. Don't indulge yourself or hire a gardener to maintain your garden and all the work you want to do that involves setting it up. Artificial grass takes all the responsibility to maintain and look fresh 24/7. So, this is the perfect choice for your garden's beauty with minimum effort. With this artificial grass, you can relax knowing that your garden looks and feels fantastic. Add a touch of nature to your lawn. 2. Artificial grass look brilliant. Artificial grass always remains evergreen no matter what season is on. Whether it's about heavy rains, hot summer, and even snow poses no harm to it no matter what. Do you know? A common problem with natural grass is that it goes yellow during the summer and creates a mess in your garden. Burr with artificial grass. No more worries about it. The artificial grass, green, never turns to yellow and will be in top shape all year round. Your garden will always look brilliant and stunning. 3. Perfect for outdoor, for pet, and kids. Quality stuff. If you are considering keeping this artificial grass harmless, apply weed killers and fertilizers to your lawn to make it safe for your kids and pets. Then no more need to do this anymore. Artificial grass is always great for the family. Almost a large number of families with children and pets would prefer to install artificial grass in their home's yard because it is safe and secure for both children and pets. One more unimaginable fact about choosing artificial grass. That is, it's perfectly made for outdoor space. So, if you want to go for an outing with your family and friends, go with it. Make your space more beautiful anywhere you want. Grab this artificial grass that offers a lot of fun. Now you can do a lot of fun or other activities you want to do on this artificial grass because it won't be damaged at all. It won't be squashed and hurt with every step you take. You will also be able to decorate your garden uniquely and creatively. Its attractive green grass will remain stunning without putting effort or extra money into its quality material. Let's save time and money by making your garden more beautiful and exceptional for embellishing your home. It is a soft and clean grass that will have everyone loving it or spending a lot of time on it after you install it in your yard. So, grab it now, don't let it go. Your home is ready to look good.